Bitch, I do rich shit, my money thick, ayy. Walk with a limp, I'm on some pimp shit, ayy. Can't say you all about money, yeah. I'm on that cash shit, I'm in my
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's your girl naytripppy, and I'm back at it again with another video. So before we get started into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and click that subscribe button down below for me, and make sure to hit that bell notification so you are notified every single time that your girl posts a video, so you don't miss any of my uploads. So I'm going to do a braid out. As you guys can see, the water is like, I'm trying to wipe it off, but it keeps like running down the side of my face. I did just get out of the shower. I rinsed out my deep conditioner, and I like to now put my leave-in in the shower. So that's what I did. So now I'm coming with my hair fully fresh, washed, detangled, deep conditioned, and I have the leave-in in, so we can just make this an easygoing process. I honestly have not done a braid out since 2019. Y'all, no, I did that, I'm sorry, 2018. That's the last time I did a braid out. So yeah, I did it for my birthday. I'll upload a photo right here of how that braid out turned out. It was a bomb. It was popping. My hair was short at the time. So yeah, but that braid out was popping. So I'm going to come to you guys with another poppin' braid out, because a lot of people really enjoyed that braid out when I did have it. But we're going to try some new products today. Let's just go ahead and get started with this video. So my hair is literally dripping. Like I said, I have my leave out in already. The leave out that I did use is the Kinky Curly Knot Today leave-in. Y'all, I freaking love this leave-in. I honestly have not used this in a minute, and it does not fail me ever. I did apply this in the shower, and I freaking love it. My hair loves it, and I can't believe I haven't used this in a while. But yeah, so what I'm going to be using for my braid out today is the Aunt Jackie's Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard. This is what it looks like. And this says it's sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. Great. Yes, sis. I haven't really seen too many reviews on this. I haven't really heard anyone say they've used it, and I've wanted to try Aunt Jackie, so I don't know. I haven't heard any bad things about it, but I also haven't really heard any good things about it either. So we're just going to see how it goes. For my hair, it says it's for natural curls, coils, and waves. It's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. My hair loves olive oil. When I did put oil in my hair, olive oil was, that was it. That was bae. It says, say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls, and lifeless coils. Define, shape, and control curls, waves, coils, and braid outs, while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. So I'm going to use, this is the only thing I'm going to use. I know some people like to use gel for their braid outs. I'm not a gel person for twist outs or braid outs, and I feel like I've been talking for so long. So you know what, y'all, let's just get straight into this video, and then at the end of this video, I will have my thoughts on this curl defining custard by Aunt Jackie. So let's get into it.
See, I gotta be out of my head to do you, and I gotta be out of my head to be suited. See, I love you, but I don't like that. I leave, but then I come right back to you. So what is the point? I might as well sit here and roll me a joint, or pour me a drink, so I can get wasted and don't have to think no more. Get high as a plane, cause sober we drive each other insane, and we know if we don't, we just stop fighting again. So we drink, or we break up. Oh, either we smoke, we drink. Cause the only time I don't fight is if we drunk or we high. Oh my, either we smoke, we drink, yeah.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we addict. Either we smoking or we drinking or we addict. Either we smoking or we drinking or we addict. Either we smoking or we drinking or we addict.
I gotta be out of my head to do you, and I gotta be out of my like that. Keep leaving and coming right back to you. So I roll me a switcher, pour me some liquor before we start to pick up. And calling each other out on names, funny bitches and niggas. Arguing over all of that small shit keeps getting bigger. Give me a Corona out the kitchen. Drink or we break up. Either we smoke or we drink or we break up. 'Cause the only time we'll fight is if we're drinking or high. Oh my. Either we smoke or we drink or we break up.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat.
Nigga, we only get along when we high. Oh yeah. Nigga, we only get along when we high. Either we smoking, no,
Drink or we break up.
or we break up.
Or we break up.
The only time we don't fight is if we're drinking or high. Oh my.
Or we drink or we break up.
Yeah.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat.
See, I gotta be out of my head to do you, and I gotta be out of my head to be suture. See, I love you, but I don't like that. I leave, but then I come right back to you. So what is the point? I might as well sit here and roll me a joint, or pour me a drink so I can get wasted and don't have to think no more. Get high as a plane, 'cause sober we drive each other insane. And we know if we don't, we just stop fighting again.
So either we smoke, drink or we break up.
Oh,
Either we smoke or we drink or we break up.
'Cause the only time we don't fight is if we're drunk or we high. Oh my.
Alright you guys, so I'm back. I have half of my head is braided. I'm going for more of definition. So if you want more definition, then you're gonna want to do a little bit like medium size braids. But if you want more volume, then you can do like large size braids. We're in this quarantine, you don't have to take the braids out the next day. My hair these braids are pretty wet, so I know for sure it won't be dry by tomorrow morning. But if you have somewhere to be, you know, or if you just want to get cute for the living room or whatever, then you can just like, if it's not dry, just take your blow dryer and dry them, like hold them taut and then just like dry them for a good like 20 minutes, and then by that time it should be fully dry. And there's different ways you can wear these braids. Like you can wear them really cute until they're dry. I have work because I'm an essential worker, so I will be taking these out tomorrow. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side. I'm gonna speed this back up again, and yeah, I'll see you guys when the braids are fully done.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Nigga, we only get along when we high. Oh yeah. Nigga, we only get along when we high. Either we smoking, no,
Drink or we break up.
or we break up.
Or we drink or we break up.
The only time we don't fight is if we're drinking or high. Oh my.
Or we drink or we break up.
Yeah.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat.
See, I gotta be out of my head to do you, gotta be out of my head to be still with you. See, I love you, but I don't like that. I leave, but then I come right back to you. So what is the point? I might as well sit here and roll me a joint or pour me a drink. So
And I know right now that we're not talking. I hope you know this dick is still an option.
you with it and don't have to think no more. Get high as a plane, cause sober we drive each other insane. And we know if we don't, we just stop fighting again. So we drink or we break up. Oh, either we smoke or we drink. Cause the only time we don't fight is if we drunk or we high. Oh my. Either we smoke or we drink, yeah.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we attitude. Either we smoking or we drinking or we attitude. Either we smoking or we drinking or we attitude. Either we smoking or we drinking or we attitude.
I gotta be out of my head to do with you. And I gotta be out of my head to be still with you. See, I love you, but I don't like that. Keep leaving and coming right back to you. So I roll me a switcher, pour me some liquor before we start to pickle. And calling each other out on names, funny bitches and nickels. Arguing over all of that small shit keeps getting bigger. Give me a Corona out the kitchen. Drink or we break up. Either we smoke or we drink or we break up. Cause the only time we don't fight is if we're drinking or high. Oh my. Either we smoke or we drink or we break up.
Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat. Either we smoking or we drinking or we at each other's throat.
Nigga, we only get along when we high. Oh yeah.
Alright you guys, so I'm done with the braids. Now I'm going to let this air dry. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this air dry for a couple of hours and pretty much overnight, and then in the morning, if they are still kind of damp, then I will go ahead and dry it with heat. I don't know how many braids I did. Actually, let me count for y'all. Yeah, I have 29 braids. Like, that is a lot of braids. I'll come back tomorrow for the takedown. Alright you guys, so it's the next day and I'm going to go ahead and take these out. These are like 95% dry, so I'm going to just take my blow dryer and just blow the braids on like some heat for like a good 10 minutes, and then at that point it should be already completely fully dry. But yeah you guys, so far I'm hoping I get some good results. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I will be back once I have these braids taken down. So they're taken down now. I'm just going to blow stretch it out. I mean, some people might want to leave theirs like this. I don't, but y'all, like, come through, definition, come through, shine, like, come, y'all, period. Okay, so you guys, I'm back. I stretched it out a little bit, and I'm gonna let it get bigger as the days go by, but this is what it's looking like. I won't do them as small as I did, for one, because it took way too long to take them down, and two, like, yeah, I like the definition, but I just feel like it's not big enough. I feel like I would have to really keep stretching it with my blow dryer, and I really don't feel like doing that. But the definition is really good. As far as the product, the Unjackie's Curl Lala Curl Defining Custard, bomb. It actually worked really good on my hair. My hair feels really moisturized, which is what I want in a braid out. So it was lit. I obviously, because I didn't use gel, I didn't get any flaking or anything, but with that Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in and this for a twist out or braid out, you're gonna get a lot of moisture, and definitely the definition is here, and I'm living for the definition. It's just not as much volume as I want it, but it's okay because it still looks good. But yeah, you guys, overall I definitely would recommend the Jackie's Curlala, and I will try to use it on a wash and go. I don't know how it's gonna look on a wash and go, but I might try it with the wash and go. I don't know, but I definitely recommend it. I want to say it was only $7.99 or $8.99. Either way, it's still very affordable, and you get 15 ounces. You get this big jar and it's 15 ounces, and it comes with a lot. Let me see, like, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a light purple color, which is so cute because purple's my favorite color. Like, I barely even put a dent in here, like, and it smells really, really good. It reminds me of a candy, but I cannot think of the candy. But yes, you guys, you get a lot of product, and it's really affordable, and you get some really good definition. I don't know how it's gonna work with the wash and go, but as far as a braid out and a twist out, I definitely recommend it for that because it is so moisturized and I love it. For the takedown, obviously I did put some oil on my hands. I used none other than the Main Choice growth oil. It's a very, very light oil, which is what I really like. It doesn't weigh my hair down at all, but it also still gives my hair that a little bit more moisture, and it also gives it that shine that I want. So that's really all I did, you guys. I'm really loving the results, and I have nothing else to say, y'all. This is a nice braid out. It is actually really, it's a really good braid out, and I really like it. I really like it. I'm digging it, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and hit that bell notification for me as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I gotta be out of my head to do true, and I gotta be out of my head to be still true. See, I love you, but I don't like that. Keep leaving and coming right back.